Good morning and welcome to your Wallops weather briefing. Well, we've had a few light rain showers so far today. We will see a little break in the action as we go into the afternoon, but likely returning with some heavier rain activity as we go into the later portion of this evening into the early portion of tomorrow morning, where we'll see a frontal boundary bring some significant rainfall to the region. Looking across the region throughout the last 24 hours, you can see yesterday's high temperatures well above normal for this time of year. Wallops all the way up to 77 degrees. Norfolk making it up to 79 degrees. So readings about 10 to 15 degrees above average for this time of year. Overnight last night, we saw a mild evening with that temperature really holding steady in the upper 60s throughout the area. 66 degrees, your overnight low at Wallops, 65 degrees in Salisbury. The coolest location reporting throughout the region was at Ocean City at 63 degrees. Over the past 24 hours, we have trace amounts being reported here at Wallops, only about 1/100 of an inch. But as you can see, everything about 1/100 of an inch or less with that rainfall so far over the last 24 hours. But as that front moves closer to the region later on today, we'll see those rain totals go up, especially later on tonight. As of 9 a.m., temperatures generally running in the upper 60s to around 70 degrees, 68 degrees under cloudy skies here at Wallops. Upper level wind data from this morning's balloon release showing generally a southwesterly wind flow from the 1,000 foot level up to the 25,000 foot level, where we see those winds increasing up to around 69 knots at that 25,000 foot level, with a wind direction remaining out of the southwest. Freezing level this morning at 11,700 feet. Taking a look at our satellite radar composite, you can see here we've got the rain shower activity heaviest just off the coast. We've got some of the showers beginning to try to build in a little bit off to the west, so we will remain in the threat for some precipitation over the course of the next couple of hours. Very low chances for lightning in our immediate area, but we will see some lightning strikes continuing well off the coast this morning. Right now seeing some around 25 to 30 miles off to our southeast, but looks like we'll likely remain lightning free here as we go through the next couple of hours here at Wallops, with a better chance coming up later tonight. Looking at our current surface analysis, we see that warm front off to our north with the southwesterly flow bringing in much warmer temperatures to our region. Again, we were about 10 to 15 degrees above normal yesterday. We'll likely be about 10 degrees above normal today as well. As that front draws closer to our region, we'll see those rain showers begin to push a little closer as we go into the evening hours. Again, looking at our high resolution short range model here, you can see by the noontime hour really not a lot of activity in our area. I think we'll probably remain dry there for a few hours as we go into the afternoon. And as we get into the evening hours, we'll start to see those showers intensify off to our north and west. By the 8 o'clock hour this evening, a few showers starting to make their way back into the region, and then really start to see the chances for showers increasing as that front moves through around midnight tonight. You can see the shower and possible thunderstorm activity associated with that frontal passage, most likely between the hours of around 11 p.m. tonight and about 3 in the morning for Saturday to see some of those significant showers. So as you go through the couple of slides here with the forecast maps for this afternoon, taking a little break in the action, likely remaining dry through the afternoon hours with mostly cloudy and breezy conditions. And then for tonight, we'll see that frontal boundary cross the region. That'll be our best chance for rain, is right around midnight tonight, with the potential also for a few embedded thunderstorms. Then by tomorrow morning, that front pushes off the coast. You see the northwesterly winds pick up behind the frontal passage, and we see some clearing as well by the mid to late morning hours of Saturday. And as you can see, those pressure lines are pretty tightly compacted there. You're going to see the winds a little gusty at times as we go into the morning hours, especially on Saturday, but continuing to be pretty breezy even as we go into the evening and overnight hours tonight as that front moves through the area. So taking a look at Sunday's forecast, you're going to see the high pressure building in behind that frontal passage before we get another system develop and move north through our region on Monday. Taking a look at the next 24 hours, we're going to see that pretty good chance of some light rain shower activity as we go through the noontime hour today, but we will see very low chances afternoon today through about 4 o'clock or 5 o'clock this afternoon. Not expecting any rain shower activity until we get into the evening hours, where we'll see that front bring the rain back into the forecast, where we'll see the chance for some moderate to maybe even heavy showers at times as that front moves through around midnight tonight. Looking at temperatures holding pretty steady throughout the day today, maybe getting up to around 69 degrees for a daytime high, and then the temperatures slowly falling through the evening hours, but really not falling all that much until that front makes it through the region and those northwesterly winds start to pick up by tomorrow morning. So likely going to see the temperature falling at around 8 o'clock in the morning, and be about 60 degrees by 7 or 8 o'clock in the morning, and maybe into the upper 50s before the morning is all said and done, before temperatures rebound once again during the afternoon. Looking at the winds to be the highest this evening, right around midnight when that front goes through, and then we'll see our ceilings possibly below 500 feet for a short period of time there as well as that front moves through the area. Looking at our forecast for Saturday and Sunday, we're going to see mostly cloudy and breezy conditions during the early morning hours. Again, a slight chance of a few lingering showers through the early morning hours, and then we'll see mostly sunny skies with breezy conditions in the afternoon with a high of 62 degrees. So it will be much cooler than what we've seen for the last few days, but pretty close to what we normally see for this time of year for our daytime high temperature. For Saturday night, expect partly cloudy and cooler conditions. We'll get down to a low of 42 degrees. And for Sunday, expecting a high of 62. Should be pretty pleasant out there. Those winds will be a little lighter during the day on Sunday. We will see cooler conditions still with a high of 62 degrees. For the next 7 days, we're going to see temperatures generally running pretty close to what our normal highs are for this time of year as we go into the weekend. And then, as I mentioned earlier, Monday we're going to see a pretty good chance of some rain shower activity once again, as we'll see a developing area of low pressure that will quickly move from the southeast coast up the mid-Atlantic and spread some rain showers to our area during the day on Monday. It could be a little breezy as well. And then for Tuesday and Wednesday, we'll see a little lull in the precipitation during the day. On Tuesday, we'll see those winds start to pick up out of the southwest ahead of a front that will be moving through on Wednesday. So a pretty good chance of some rain showers Wednesday morning as well. Could even see the possibility of some embedded thunderstorms with that frontal passage as it goes through early Wednesday. And then we'll likely see a return to high pressure for the end of the week with cooler temperatures in store. You can see that Thursday daytime high at 60 degrees. But I had to wrap it up for today's weather briefing. We'll be back again Monday morning with our briefings at 8:15 and at 10 a.m. Have a nice day.